All right, it is cold, it is windy, but it is dry. It's like the first dry day in weeks. Fucking hell, it's been raining for weeks, man. So finally, we can do something again, and let's do some power loops. Power loops, it is so cold. I have my gloves, and I hope you guys can hear me because it's really windy. All right then. Power loops. Now all the tutorials I did before, they were all like beginner stuff, and the power loop, I think, is the first one on the list for intermediate. So it's really windy, guys. And there's no leaves on the trees. This is like a good place to power loop. There's a lot of small branches, you can see that. Power loop is essentially you pitch up, go up and over, and you go down like a split S actually. Remember the split S we did last time? Like this, of course. But actually this is 1/2 of power loop. So you go like this. And this is your split S. And that's a power loop. My battery is getting low already. But the best thing to do a power loop is under a thing, so like this. Yeah, that was a bit wide, there's also a bit windy. Anyway, power loop. We pitch up. Ooh, that was close. You see, the wind is pushing me to the side. So just practice and practice. There's also sort of a flick. So you can flick it over it. And that's the power loop. So practice with, practice high. You will go high in the beginning anyway, because you go to the moon, because you're afraid to. And in the beginning I never reached the end. I always like ended up like, oh, I can't even do it now, but I ended up like this, you know, not over the thing. So then I started to do 1, 2, like counting. Also 1,000, 2,000, and then you're sure you're over the thing. I hear dogs. It's so cold I can't even talk. Let's see what's happening here. Somebody in the neighborhood. Dogs? No dogs? So there's another trick called an Immelman. And an Immelman is essentially half a power loop. So it's like when you bail out halfway the power loop, like this. That's an Immelman. So that's also a very good trick to have. If you don't make it and you need to bail out. But also if you are in like a parking garage or a bando with different floors, you can do this from floor to floor, which is pretty difficult. But that's an Immelman, half a power loop. That's an Immelman. Alright guys, so thank you, and see you next time in the next tutorial. See you guys.